Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DMC-LX10 digital camera and you need to do a factory reset back to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working right, not doing what it's supposed to do, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is there's a ton of settings on here and we can change them all manually, but sometimes you just want to get a fresh start. Just get all the settings back to the way it was when it came out of the box, and it's super easy to do. So all you need to do is just with it on, you're just going to hit the menu set button. From the menu set button to open the menu, you're just going to select the setup wrench icon submenu, and in the setup wrench icon submenu, you'll select reset. That's kind of all there is to it. Then it'll just take you through a couple of confirmation screens, select yes for each one, and it will reset everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box. And you can go ahead and set this camera up like it's a new camera.